Is your 2024 Chevy Traverse refusing to turn over, leaving you stranded in your own driveway? Statistically, 85% of no-start issues in these newer models are related to simple electrical connections. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit before you call a tow truck. Start by verifying your key fob battery, checking for terminal corrosion, and scanning for any stored diagnostic trouble codes. The most common culprits include a depleted 12-volt battery, a loose ground strap, or a faulty brake pedal position switch. If those look good, we have to look deeper into the starter solenoid, transmission range sensors, or potential computer communication issues. You can handle simple connection cleans yourself, but deeper electronic or starter failures usually require professional shop equipment. This chart shows the average cost difference between fixing loose connections versus replacing major components like the starter motor. For advanced troubleshooting, perform a load test on the battery and use a multimeter to check for voltage at the starter signal circuit. Keep a basic toolkit including a multimeter, an OBD-I scanner, and a wire brush in your vehicle to handle these minor electrical emergencies. Remember, a slow crank is often a warning sign, so do not ignore it until you are completely stranded. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get your Traverse back on the road, subscribe for more automotive maintenance tips.